Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. As you can probably guess, I'm not at the allotment today. I'm not in the potting shed. I'm not even in the conservatory. I'm in bed at the minute and I have been for the past 2 weeks um, because my sciatica has decided to kick in and leave me immobile. I can't get around, can't stand up, can't walk or can't sit up for more than about a minute. So there's been no footage or any work done at the allotment by me in the past couple of weeks. However, Dalila has been going up, and she's been doing a little bit of work. So I'll show you a couple of pictures of what has been going on in the past couple of weeks. Okay, so this is the beans that was sowed on, I think it was the 14th of April, and we put them in the little greenhouse. The root trainers at the front are Blauhild beans. These are the purple French climbing beans. And the ones at the back are the Borlotti beans. And they look really good. They're coming on really, really well. So this picture was taken last weekend. So I would imagine that these are all up now and all doing well. This tray has my brassicas in it. And there's mixed brassicas in here. There's cabbage, kale, cauliflower, and it looks like a tray of red and green lettuce at the back right hand side. A bit worrying is that the two pots at the front, they look like there's a little bit of slug damage going on. So I think we'll need to have another little look around to make sure there's no slugs in that tray. These are the yellow French beans that Dalila sowed last on the 14th. So these are starting to come up. And I think if you look down below, I think that could be the sweet corn coming out. So the things in the greenhouse, they look like they're all doing well. By this time, we should have lots of different types of beans and hopefully the sweet corn. So this was one of the beds that was overgrown with weeds. It has got perpetual spinach, which has gone to seed, but it's quickly gone to, it's quickly been taken over by the weeds. So there's all sorts of weeds in there. There's dandelions, there's these little blue flowers where they grow everywhere. They're just a pest. They just flower everywhere, and they're easy to pull out, but they're just so prolific. Anyway, Dalila weeded that bed, and it's all looking rather good. She then moved on to the leek bed. Again, all these weeds are mostly just the seeds are blown in from elsewhere, and should be easy to take care of. But it's just getting round to doing them, is finding the time to actually kneel down and hand weed these. There's also weeds in the, garlics. So the garlics are at the top of the picture and the leeks are at the bottom of the picture. And as you can see, Dalila's done another fantastic job here weeding this bed out. All the weeds are gone, all nice and tidy. So it's all looking good here. And finally, this is where I put my strawberries. My partner Pip bought me some strawberries plants for my birthday. So I put them in here. I was building a strawberry planter, but I haven't been able to get it finished before I got struck down by this sciatica again. So I put the strawberry plants in here, and they actually look as if they're thriving in here. They're looking really, really good. So that's the strawberry plants. So for Dalila's efforts last weekend, I told her to grab a couple of the leeks, which she did. She managed to find a couple of nice ones there, and also grab a few sticks of rhubarb, which she hasn't photographed. but it's going to be a long time, well, could be a long time before I'm able to get back to the allotment and do any work. So thank you very much to Dalila, who managed to do all that work last week for me. So that's just a quick look at what happened last weekend at the plot. Dalila took a couple of pictures. She's a bit camera shy herself, which not got a problem with. If she wants to remain a woman of mystery, she can. So it's nice to get a little update from her. So that's all great. For me, I don't know when I'll be back up at the allotment. As I said, I'm still pretty much on my back and unable to do much at the moment. The doctor's got me on some powerful prescription drugs, amitriptyline and gabapentin and liquid morphine, just to help with the pain. So I'm hoping that with the medication and doing a little bit of physiotherapy, I shall be able to get upright within a few weeks. But even if I do get upright within a few weeks, it's going to be a lot longer before I'm able to do any work in the allotment. But I thought I'd just give you a little quick update why I haven't posted and show you what's been going on. And hopefully I'll have something for you again in the future. Thank you for joining in, and see you all again soon. Bye.